Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm going to be reviewing this SyncWire transparent protective case for the iPhone 13 Pro series. Yep, this is a specific case for the Pro series. The Pro and the non-Pro are not exactly the same when it comes to the camera on the back, so be wary of cases that make one for all. It might not be the best for every phone. This one is specifically for the iPhone Pro. Now it is scratch resistant shell. You have impact cushion technology in the corners, you'll see that, and it is compatible with wireless charging. You do get a little user guide in here. Not that you need that with a case, but they include it just in case, which is great. You also get a wet wipe to make sure that your phone is nice and clean before you put the case on, and the nice little cleaning cloth, so you can make sure all your back of your phone is dust free before you put your case on, which is also important. And let's take it out and look. Now remember, this is specifically for the iPhone 13 Pro. It's a nice clear case that allows the beauty of that phone to shine through and protects it as well. Let's check the transparency. I'm going to hold this up. Now, of course, you're going to see a little bit of reflection because of the lights that are around, but you can see straight through there. If you didn't know, you wouldn't know you were looking through the case right now. And that's because this is a completely clear, beautiful, transparent case. Now, as far as the safety features go, you do have this slightly raised edge here around that goes all the way around the front, and that's just to protect the front of your phone. Even if you set it down, face down, you'll have a slight edge to protect it. Also on the camera bump, you've got a nice protective raised edge to make sure your camera bump is safe. And again, this is specifically for the iPhone 13 Pro, so that's the main difference between the 13 Pro and the 13 is the camera bump is slightly different. And this is for the 13 Pro. And then, very important, you've got these nice air cushions in the corners there. See that air cushion there? Every corner has that air cushion because dropping your phone and it hitting on the corner, that can do the most damage. So you have these little air cushions to give you extra protection. If you were to drop it and it were to hit on the corner, you have that little bit of extra air cushion there to protect your phone and keep it safe. Now looking at the cutouts and the buttons, you have the volume rocker buttons over here, and this is a cover. You have a cutout for your vibrate mode switch. On the other side, you have a cover for the power button. On the bottom here, you have all the cutouts you need for the speakers as well as for the lightning charging port. Easy access to that without any issues. And the sides are like a soft TPU, rubbery TPU, very grippy. The back is a slightly harder transparent plastic cover. It is scratch resistant and is going to protect your phone. And that's really the point of this case, is to protect your phone without hiding your phone. Allow the beauty of the phone. You spent all that money on a beautiful iPhone. This lets all of that shine through, but also still protects the phone. Really excellent transparent protective phone case from SyncWire.